Hello guys, so today we'll be talking about how to build this broker. Very good. This is how the front end is built. Yeah, so let's take a look at it calmly with these reviews and so on and so forth. We'll be signing up on this one and seeing how it works. Sign up, get started. We also go to what's it called? We also log in to, let's say this one is test 0011. Also log into the dashboard so that we see. Okay, let's use this. Okay, let's put in random number. Okay, let me use Canada. Let's do a password. Click on the, and very good. Your institution says check email to verify. So now let me check the email. So let me go to Gmail. So this is how the email looks like. Yeah, so let's click on this, copy it and take it here to paste and verify. The account has been verified, as you can see. So now let's log in proper to see how the dashboard looks like. Log into your account, so you can choose to save this or not. Now this is one of the best dashboards you can see online. It has both invest, it has a trading option too. You can choose to invest, do it as a normal investment plan, or you can also choose to just use it as a trading option. As you can see by the side here, we have a trading option here for. Let's take a look at how it works. So there are demo accounts on it too that you can use to just trade on a demo, like on a demo mode here. You can trade with whatsoever the admin puts on as a demo status. That's what the trade will take. Yeah, so let's wait for it to load up, but straight up we'll be going into how to build this particular account website. Let's see how it is on mobile. Okay, so it's not looking bad. It's not looking bad at all. So this is how it is on mobile. Click on navigation. Very good. This is how it is on mobile. It looks sharp, it looks clean. Yeah, so we'll be going straight up to how to build this. Look at this. These are the options: fund transfer, trade history, package, signals. It has signals. It also has the packages, like I said, for the normal trading, the silver option, and so on and so forth. It also has signals also, so you can buy the signal plans and also use it. Now before I go forward, this video is strictly for educational purposes. Thank you very much. So we'll go to there's also a KYC part in this broker. The broker is complete. Now even everything you do on this broker, you set it from the admin, the SMTP, whatsoever. Just think about it. All you have to do is to connect your database. So we are going to go straight into that right now. So let's go straight into how to build this particular kind of website straight up. Thank you very much. So the first thing we'll do, normally, as we know, we get our cPanel. So this is where I'm getting my cPanel from right now. Extra Pros, they are really good at what they do. They're good at what they do here. So you can get cPanel from there. You can choose to get a cPanel from them. They are also very good. Yeah, so we'll go to our public HTML. Now this is our public HTML. Right now mine is empty, so click on upload. So whatever folder you want to put it in, you just follow my step. If you have an add-on domain, you can just do the same thing. So come here and click on select file. Let's go. Yeah, then we'll come to, okay, let's go down. Let's look for, all right, so that's it. So as we wait for this to load up, as you can see, maybe because of network or something, it is loading up slowly. But as we wait for this to load up, we can go straight to start. Creating our database, connecting it. Also, we can even go straight to uploading our SQL file, so that we just wait for this one to upload while we set everything up. So first thing we do, go to MySQL database wizard. Very good. So to DB, let's call it LI Traders database. So we'll copy this part, Control C, next step. Then we'll paste this one, copy this, then paste this, also paste this. Now what we did is we copied this whole thing here. The first thing we copied, that was what we pasted here, that's here. Then we copied this one, made it the password. So what we are trying to do is that we are trying to make both the database name, the database password, and the username. I'm trying to make it the same thing. So we come to create users, come to all privileges, click all privileges, then click next step. You can choose to save this one or not. So this, as you can see now, is our database. This is our username, which is also our password. So let's see how far our uploading has gone. Okay, it's still going. So what we can do right now, let's wait for it to load. While we're going to our phpMyAdmin, the database of this file is inside this. So by the end of this video, I'll be showing you how to get access to this script. I'll be showing you how to get full access to this script. It's going to give you access to the whole admin, the whole part of it. So I'm going to show you access on how to get it. So let's wait for our uploading to be done. Ali. Very good. So our file is done uploading. So we'll do this in very simple steps. We'll go back to our file. We'll extract our file first. This is one of the most simplest brokers to set up, because most of the things are done outside, like from the admin. Always make sure to, most of the times, always make sure to show hidden files. Make this thing has to be clicked so that you can see some files. So select all, move them to the public HTML. That's the first step. Then you come to let's go to your DB. Let's connect this. I'm sorry. So let's connect this. Edit, right click, and takes you to edit. So here we come. Remember what we copied from this place. This. So copy it in case it's no longer on your. So clear this password, put in our own password. This place is also the same thing. So the three of them becomes the same thing. You understand? You understand it? Everything is the same thing right now. So we'll click on this, then we can cover this one, we can close it. Go to let's upload the SQL right now. So we're looking for the SQL file right here. So this is the SQL file. So let's download this. We'll come to this place. Remember the name of the SQL we just did, DBLI Traders. So come here, import it, choose file, you we just downloaded it, so this is it. Download, import. So wait for that to also load up. So let's wait for this to load up. Go to the okay, the main menu. This, as you can see, import has been successfully finished. Every other thing that we need to be from here. So this is where we get our admin form, the visa table. Click on it. You see the very first one, super admin, so on and so forth. Yeah, so we'll come here. Let's click on what we have done already. Let's see what we have. Okay, this was, so we have to add refresh. This was the one from the other files that was inside there. So let's add refresh. Now this is what we have. Very good. Our trading platform is set to go. Yeah, so you can change the logo, you can change everything from the admin. So right now we'll come here, we'll click slash, no, there's no need for that. This login page is also the admin page, the admin login. So we'll come here. Now we'll have to get the have to get it from here. So let's say, what do we have here? Email and password. So let's open this. The first user there is the admin table, as you can see, admin. So this is the email, this is the password. So let's say email and password. So let's log in. Very good. So this is how it looks like. Looking really good. So now let's do the rest setup from here. Since we have seen how our visa already looks like, let's do the rest setup from here. So let's see where you can do the rest setup from. This is the website name. You change it from here. Anything you change here affects your website, so you don't need to. Let's say this is LI. This is, let's say this is J crypto. Let's say this is J crypto. As you can see, the website logo, the tilde link, that's the live chat, the withdrawal pin, everything is set here. Your addresses, as you can see, you can set them from here. The admin email and so on and so forth here, you can set it from here. Everything is set here. So once you are done here, your website goes, your emails, everything is set. It is both a crypto website, it is also an NFT website, it's also a forex trading website, as you can read signals and everything. Now for you to get this script, to get access to this script, you can send me a direct message on WhatsApp, or you can send me a direct message on WhatsApp, or you click the link below this video in the description to get access to this file. Yeah, thank you very much. Please do like, share and comment. I will not send you my number on the comment section, but the number, Telegram, Instagram, they are together on this description of this video. Thank you very much. In the description to get access to this file. Yeah.